Hello, my name is Ryan Blowers. I'm co-founder of ReMo Homes. We make operational net zero habitats that are manufactured for speed and efficiency. This is fast, resilient, and scalable and built for the frontline community. Our combined system delivers a rapid deployable, reusable housing with clean thermal energy and passive cooling built in.
Hi, I'm Helene Cornell, co-founder and chief growth officer of Aris Hydronics. We make homes safer, more affordable, and more resilient with all-electric HVAC and thermal energy storage. We have over 100 smart sensors inside every one of our homes, taking a lot of stress off of the grid and putting it back into the communities that deserve it the most. Aris Hydronics has a world's first solution for multi-family building decarbonization. Aris supplies centralized heating, cooling, and thermal energy storage that can service up to 10 ReMo homes at once with just one of our thermal plant pods.
My name is Emily Danino. I'm the founder and CEO of ThermoShade. ThermoShade's passive cooling shade panels can be affixed to any kind of outdoor structure and create shady spaces that feel up to 20 degrees cooler than under a basic awning. We're using the power of radiative cooling to more effectively cool people regardless of air temperature or humidity. Our shade structures integrate very well with solar panels, so we can have a structure that has solar panels on top, our cooling panels underneath, and we're providing excess energy to this incredible system with ReMo Homes while also powering our cooling. Thanks to ReMo Homes' fast manufacturing technology and panelized system, we can pre-build a panel that has our cooling panel in it to integrate with the Aris Hydronics system.
I'm very excited to be partnering with emerging technology, especially based in the Los Angeles area. I feel like we can solve all the problems that California has with California brains and California technology.
Our solution is affordable, scalable, and rooted in equity. It's completely off the grid ready, it's modular, it's deployable, and it works great with ReMo Homes and ThermoShade, and we're really excited to present this opportunity to you guys.